friends in C104. Today we're going to learn how to make a cup of coffee using the Keurig machine. I have a single Keurig machine, so what we're going to do is we're going to open the back. We're going to put water in till we get to the line that says maximum amount of water, which is the top there. We're going to close the lid. Press the power button up here, lift the lid, select our coffee, which will be breakfast blend today, put that in the area where you put the pod, and close it. And then we're going to press this button on the top, this big button, and the Keurig makes sound and the water goes down into the Keurig to heat up. The machine is flashing to show that it's still heating up. And here comes our coffee. I hope you have one in your house. It seems like every household has one nowadays. And it's something fun to do with supervision of your parents to get to learn how to do it. And that's it. You put your sugar and your creamer, whatever you would like in your coffee. It smells good. Maybe you can start learning how to make some for mom or dad. And there you go, a nice hot cup of coffee. See you next time.